In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record overtime pay using the Pay Overtime option in Time Activity in QuickBooks Accountant. Overtime happens, and when it does, you want it captured accurately, so payroll calculates the right pay and your job costing stays clean. This workflow is perfect when an employee works beyond their regular hours, when you want payroll to handle the overtime rate automatically, and when you're tracking labor costs by customer or project. Let's walk through it from start to finish. First, sign into QuickBooks Accountant. If you manage multiple clients, open the correct client company file so the time you enter updates the right books. Once you're in the company, click the plus New button. From there, choose Single Time Activity. This form records time for one person on one date, which is ideal for a discrete block of overtime. Next, pick the employee or vendor who performed the work. Choose the employee if they're on payroll, or the vendor if the work was done by a contractor. If the time should be associated with a specific customer or project, select it now. Linking it here ensures the time appears in project reports and can flow to an invoice if you plan to bill it. Enter the date worked so the hours post to the correct period. In the Type drop-down, select Pay Overtime. This is the key choice that flags the hours as overtime rather than regular time. Then, enter the number of overtime hours worked. Only put the overtime portion here. Any regular hours should be recorded as regular time elsewhere. If you intend to invoice the customer for these hours, turn on Billable. If not, leave it off to track costs internally without creating billable charges. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. That's it. The overtime hours are now recorded properly. Here's what happens next behind the scenes. If payroll is connected, the overtime rate is calculated automatically based on your payroll setup when you run payroll. If the time is marked billable, you'll be able to add those overtime hours directly to a customer invoice. And if project tracking is turned on, labor costs update in your project dashboards and reports, helping you stay on top of budgets. A few important notes as you use this. The overtime multiplier, like time and a half or double time, comes from your payroll settings. If payroll isn't connected, this entry tracks hours only. Pay won't calculate until payroll is enabled. Also, make sure each employee's pay type supports overtime, so the calculation applies correctly. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.